Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now we have to enter the date and time, and they should be on the 4th position. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can customize, but the date, time and time zone options are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic and network provided time and time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and now we can freely customize the date. So let's tap on it, and after tapping on it, your device will open the calendar, so you will be able to pick the date from it. So simply find the one you'd like to set, tap on it and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, your device will open the clock. If you do not like this option, just tap on this keyboard icon in the left lower corner and you will be able to type in the time manually, but I will pick it from the clock and let me set, I don't know, maybe 10:30. Remember to tap on OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar, and here let's pick the time zone. Tap on the region, and here we have to find the the region we would like to use. So let me pick, I don't know, maybe Vatican. Let's tap on it, and maybe not, maybe something else. Maybe I would like to pick maybe Japan. Okay, let's get back, because all I wanted to show you is that if you will change the time zone manually, the time will also change according to it. As you can see right now we've got 5:30, but I've set 10:30, I believe. So remember about that. Here you've got the option to use location to set time zone also, so you can turn on or off this option if you like to. Under it we've got the time format, which we can also customize. So right now we are using local default, but we can turn it off in order to set it manually. So we can decide if we want to use 12-hour format just like right now, or we can use 24-hour format. So just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. So actually this is it. This is how to change, how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings and just tap on use local default. Here we have to tap on set time zone automatically and set time also automatically. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.